But what's happening right now and what is likely to be the outcome of that CLP that's going to happen at 11 a.m. this morning? Let's go over to my colleague Arvind Gunasekar now. Arvind, take us through what names are being discussed and are we likely to finally have a name by the end of the day?
Yeah, Sonal, the Congress party has called for the second CLP meeting today. The time is still pretty fluid because earlier it was told that the meeting will be convened somewhere around 11 a.m. But now we are being told that it will get delayed. So what you are being told is that by noon, by lunchtime, we'll be getting a name. The meeting will be over. By lunchtime, they would be announcing the name who will be the next CLP leader and who will be the next Chief Minister of Punjab. So the names that were discussed in yesterday's CLP meeting was conveyed to the party leadership along with the resolution that was passed in the yesterday's CLP meeting authorizing the Congress President Sonia Gandhi to finalize the name. So there were simultaneous discussion both at Delhi and also at Chandigarh because both the central observers are sent by the Congress party, both Ajay Mekkan and also Harish Chaudhary, they are still in Chandigarh. And yesterday late night also we saw a meeting between Rahul Gandhi and also K.C. Venugopal, the General Secretary organization. So the party has finalized a name and it will be again discussed in today's CLP meeting. And what we are being told is that by lunchtime will be the party will announce who will be the next CLP leader, and then they would be moving the governor staking claim for the government. So regarding the names, what we are being told is that at least 3 names are doing rounds. One, Sunil Jakhar is still leading the race along with 2 other names. So the party is big very because Sunil Jakhar is a Hindu. Because the Congress, the Punjab state has not seen a non-Sikh CM for last 50 odd years. So that's where the Congress party is still deliberating whether they should take this risk of appointing a non-Sikh CM, or whether they should go for the usual 6 CM something. So that some discussion is still underway. But what we are being told is that by lunchtime the name will be finalized and it will be announced.
So by lunchtime, a name is likely to come up. Not very clear on who that will be. But the decision, Arvind, can you confirm to us, it's yesterday in the meeting, it was decided that Sonia Gandhi will be picking up a name. So whichever name actually comes up is coming in directly from the High Command and we're expecting it to be accepted?
Yeah, Sonal, because that was a resolution that was passed in the yesterday's CLP meeting. That has always been the usual practice of the Congress party. Whenever a CLP meeting is convened, the CLP, they would discuss some 3 to 4 names, and that particular names, those names will be shared with the central leadership, and the central leadership will finalize one name, and again that will be sent to the CLP, and CLP will ratify it. That has always been the practice, and that is the usual practice this time also. So 3 to 4 names were discussed in yesterday's CLP meeting because they couldn't come up with one name, one particular name. There was no consensus for one name. So those 3 or 4 names or names were sent to Congress central leadership, and the Congress central leadership, what we are being told is that they have finalized one name, and that has been conveyed to the central observers, Ajay Mekkan and also Harish Chaudhary. So both of them in today's CLP meeting, they will be presenting to the MLAs what the central leadership is thinking about the next CLP, and then that will be ratified in the CLP meeting. So in all likelihood, by 2 p.m. or so, we'll be getting who will be the next Chief Minister of Punjab.
All right. Thanks, Arvind, for joining us. Also, Ghazali joins us on the phone line for more on this. Ghazali, you were telling us that there are 2 parallel meetings that took place. One in Punjab, the other one in Delhi as well. And the Congress party, no mood to wait and watch the situation. They are definitely coming up with a name by the end of the day.
See, Punjab already has spent a night without a chief minister. And in such situation, there are always chances of rebellion if you keep all the leaders who are anxious or ambitious in waiting. So till yesterday evening, after the CLP meeting ended here and a press briefing or a statement was issued by Mr. Makan and Mr. Rawat, it was quite certain that Mr. Sunil Jakhar was leading the race. He was the one who tweeted out in the morning saying that hailing Rahul Gandhi's decision of replacing Captain Amrinder Singh. But the party, certainly it's a very difficult situation for the party to take a decision on who will be the replacement or a better replacement for Captain Amrinder Singh, because there are party leaders who we spoke to have suggested that exposing Navjot Singh Sidhu as CM before the polls will be disastrous. We don't want to do that. So certainly Mr. Jakhar is someone who had good relationship with Captain Amrinder Singh, who is in good books in the party high command in Delhi as well. So Ms. Ambika Soni's name was also discussed in the late night meeting yesterday. But as of now, Mr. Jakhar from Punjab is the one who is leading the race for the CM's replacement in Punjab.
All right. And what would you say, Ghazali, then is the relationship between Mr. Jakhar and Navjot Singh Sidhu? And what is the arrangement over here that the Congress High Command is talking about? The names discussed today, will it be the same person who leads the party post polls as well? Will be a chief ministership face, or is that something that is being left in a grey area at the moment?
See, right now, whosoever will be the chief minister will certainly be a stopgap arrangement before the polls as Punjab goes to polls in the next 4 months. As far as Mr. Jakhar is concerned, Mr. Jakhar has always been very vocal about the issues which was later picked up by Mr. Navjot Singh Sidhu, because Jakhar was a state president, and since Amrinder became the CM, he was the only one who was raising the issue since 2017 about all the poll promises, due to which Mr. Singh was replaced yesterday. So he is not someone who doesn't know the state politics. He is a Hindu face, yet he is widely accepted not only in Congress but across the state. So he certainly has chances with him that he may be replaced, or he would be the CM candidate.
All right. So lots of questions over there, but Ghazali telling us that Mr. Jakhar coming up to be one face and one name which is building consensus at this point, and there seems to be a lot of support coming to his name. But again, to remind you, at least what we're hearing for the moment, this is going to be a stopgap arrangement, not somebody who's short to be seen as a chief minister face for the for post polls as well.